Namaskar, Hare Krishna. Happy New Year to all. Today I am going to tell you about the right now COVID situations. So this is the Chaitra Shukla Pratipad chart of India. The ascendant is Taurus, Rahu Mars is there, Venus is in the Aries, Moon, Sun and Mercury is in the Pisces, Jupiter is in the Aquarius, Saturn in the Capricorn and Ketu in the Scorpio. So right now Sun is transiting. Right now Sun is transiting Sagittarius. Venus is retrograde over here and Sun is in Sagittarius, right? So I am using a technique over here, the Sun's transit. Okay. So if you see from ascendant, the Sun is in the 8th house, and over here Venus retrograde is there. And whenever Sun is transiting the Sagittarius, and it is in the Purvashara Nakshatra, which is the Nakshatra of Venus, and Venus is also retrograde. And Mercury is in the Capricorn. So when Mercury entered in the Capricorn, the dispositor of the Jupiter is Saturn, is in the Capricorn along with Mercury. Rahu is aspecting the Mercury and Saturn, and the dispositor of the retrograde Venus and the Sun is also Jupiter. So Venus, Jupiter, Sun and Saturn and Rahu both are connected in the transit. So according to that, in the Dasha system, if you see right now Saturn's Dasha is going from this chart. So from 23rd December 2021 to 17th February 2022, this is the period. So during this period you have to be very careful. You have to take all the precautions, all the protocols is there. So why I am telling you, because the Sun's transit is a very crucial transit if you apply that transit in the Chaitra Shukla Pratipad chart of any country. Right now I am talking about only India. Apart from India, in India it will spread, because this within this period it will spread, it will go high. After that, after April, when Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, Jupiter all will be changing the sign, that during that time it will go away from the humanity. But right now you have to take the precautions. So if you understand the transit also, then Mercury is in the Capricorn and under Rahu's influence and Saturn's influence, and Jupiter and Venus and Sun all are connected, and a Kalsarpa dosha is happening in the sky also. So the not only India, all the countries like you can say USA, then Europe and the UK and other places, this will spread. So take precautions and just understand the technique I am applied. The Sun's transit is in the Chaitra Shukla Pratipad chart of India, and along with that the transit I used over here, you can predict from this technique also how whatever you want to predict from here. You can go to the Ashtaka Varga also, see the Sun's Ashtaka Varga, the Venus Ashtaka Varga. So from those Ashtaka Varga you can understand the influence of the planet, whether it is going negative or positive. So this is all about today. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Namaskar. Hare Krishna.